Hi guys, I'm going to guide you this evening through some organizational patterns for your classwork section. So this is the stream page that you open up your classroom onto. You're then going to click classwork. You see there's all these assignments listed here. I only have 3 for the example, but you probably have several. And what I've been hearing from teachers is they're concerned that it's overwhelming for the students and visually difficult for them to discern what's important and not important, what should be done and what shouldn't be done. So I'm going to guide you right now. We're going to hover over any particular assignment. There are 3 dots button here. You hit edit. You then go to topic, create topic. We're going to call this biomes. Save. So essentially what you've done is you've created a section within your classwork area. You might choose to leave it just like this with one section, and perhaps these unassigned assignments are your current classwork, work that you've assigned for this particular day. Maybe now when your students open up classwork, they recognize that this work up here has to get done today. Okay, this is the expectation. You can also choose to add more categories. So perhaps you go to edit again, and now you're going to go to topic and create topic. And now you're going to create a quiz category. Save. So now you have 2 defined sections, biomes and quiz. And you still have 1 floating assignment that perhaps has the work that you want them to do today. Okay. Maybe you're going to look into a different pattern. So now instead of having floating assignments, you want everything assigned. So you're going to again hover, click, edit, topic, and we're going to assign this one to biomes. And we're going to save that. So now you have 2 sections or categories. Every assignment is given to one of those 2 categories. Okay. Maybe you've decided that you want quiz to be on top. So you click the button here and you decide to move up. So now you've changed the order. Okay. Quiz is now on the top of the list. All right. The other thing is that perhaps you want to rename. Maybe instead of biomes, you would like to call this daily work, daily assignments, current assignment. Let's call it that. I like that better. This is the work you want done today, current assignment. You got your quiz, you have your current assignment. Okay. And maybe you've decided that you actually want 3 categories. You want to edit. So you have 2 assignments here, but you've decided that one of them doesn't belong in the current assignment area. So you're going to do the same thing. You hover, you go to the 3 dot button, and now you're going to edit. And now instead of putting it in the current assignment category, you would like to create a new topic, and you're going to name this topic preview activities. You're going to save. So now your students know that these are quizzes, this is the current assignment that has to get done, and these are the preview activities that you want them to complete. Maybe you're going to move the order, right? So maybe this would be first. Okay. Maybe you always keep your quizzes at the top because that's, the quiz, the assessment, and maybe in order of what they need to get done, you want them to first preview, then do their current assignment. Okay. If you were to leave the classwork section and go to stream and then come back, it would be saved. So this is now your new organizational pattern. But guess what? You can still edit it. If you decide that you don't want that category anymore, you just delete it. It will delete the name of the category, but the work will still remain. And you can do that for all of them.